Hello guys, myself Sarthak Singh from class 10A. I am very thankful to my teacher who gave me this golden opportunity. Today I will give the tutorial of consolidating data. How can we consolidate the data? Firstly, we will go on our screen, then Microsoft Excel. Firstly, we make the table. Uh, Firstly, we make the table. First quarter of then we increase the size of the heading. Then cars, January, February, March. Then we will write the car's name. For example, Audi, BMW, Ford. Then Ferrari, uh, 350, 145, 457, 167, 123. Then 5 sorry 376, then 198. Then we will make the another table in sheet 2. Twenty 21. Sheet 1 is 2020 and the sheet 2 is 2021. Firstly, we will increase the size of this heading. Oh, what happened? Sales of year. Then the car's name. January, February, March. Car's names are Audi, we will paste this. We will write the another numbers because we want to consolidate the data. Then we write any numbers like 456, 678, 870, 543. Then 656, then 345, then now we will rename the sheet 3 to consolidate data. Firstly we click on right click, then we will click on rename option, then we will write the here consolidate data. Now now write the heading consolidated data year consolidated data of year 2020 and 2021. Then go on sheet 1 and do copy and paste to the consolidated data, means sheet 3, and again you go on sheet 1, paste January, February, March, copy January, February, March, then paste in sheet 3, means consolidate data, paste. Then click on insert tab, data tab, and click on consolidated tab, then click on sum, means if you want to do the sum you can do sum. If you want to do average, max, meaning, product, if it's your choice, you will do sum and another thing. I will do the sum. Click on consolidate. If you want to do the sum, click on sum option. If you want to do the average, do average. You want to do anything, click on this option. But I want to do the sum, so I am going to click on sum. Then go on sheet 1. Go on sheet 1. Go on sheet 1. Select full numbers. Then add. Then go on sheet 2. Click all numbers. Then add. Then click on OK button. The consolidated. Now click on OK. You will do the consolidate data on sheet 3 tab. It's all from my side. Thank you, and thank you very much.